Hey everyone, well, it's a lovely day, and in one of the last weekends I can actually ride here in Pennsylvania because it's getting colder. So me and my friend planned on going on a long trip because since I got the bike I've never been on a really long trip, like a multi-day trip. So we planned to go to New Hampshire, but we thought it would be too cold for the motorcycles. To ride on a motorcycle. So we're going down south to Virginia, to Shenandoah National Park, and I'm excited. I've never been there, so it should be fun. I've heard the fall colors are good there too at this point of time. And there's this famous road called Skyline Drive, which is at an altitude, and it's beautiful during the fall. So we planned on hitting that road, and after that we plan to go to Blue Ridge Parkway, which is one of the best roads you can ever find in the United States. I'm pretty excited. Unfortunately, I do not have a GoPro, but I will be using my friend's GoPro. We will be sharing the footage, so he'll be wearing it sometime, I'll be wearing it sometime, and that's going to be fun. So it's going to be a 4-day trip. First day we will be going to Hundon or Ashburn, which is in Virginia. It's around 3.5 hours from Allentown, and we're going to stay at my friend's house in Hundon or Ashburn, and then we'll be starting our ride early in the morning on Sunday. That is tomorrow, and we'll be hitting Skyline Drive from there. It's going to be a 6 hours ride to our next destination from Hundon, Virginia. And then we will be covering some part of Blue Ridge Parkway, because we won't be able to do the whole thing as we are limited with just 4 days. So we'll be hitting a bit of Blue Ridge Parkway and coming back to Virginia, and then obviously coming back to Allentown. So that's an initial plan, but let's see how it goes. We might improvise in between. We didn't book our hotels too, so that's the reason why we didn't book our hotels. We wanted to see how far we can hit, taking consideration of the weather, the riding conditions, and so on. So it's our first long ride, so we want to take it slow, definitely, but at the same time we shouldn't be wasting much time. And you guys must be thinking, why am I dressed up like this and in the car? Where's the bike? So I dropped my bike at the friend's house, with whom I'm going to ride now. It was raining all day yesterday, and we had to do some maintenance, and he's got a shade, so I thought, I'll just park the bike there and do my maintenance. That's what I did. But now I'm just carrying everything to his house, and we'll hook on the luggage to the bike over there, and we will be good to go. I'll be dividing this video into 3 parts mostly. Day 1, day 2, day 3, probably even day 4, but I don't know if day 4 is possible. Depends on how exhausted we are. But yeah, it should be fun. Present temperature is around 50 Fahrenheit, and in degrees it is around 15 to 20. It's been varying all day, so yeah, I've been wearing inners inside the leather suit to keep myself warm. Got some extra gear too, so let's see. It's going to be cold for sure, but we got to stick on to the plan. So guys, after 3 hours of luggage, packing and putting it on the bike, we are finally set to go. We are 2 hours behind our scheduled time. So we have Sunand on the Ducati XDiavel, and we're on my R1. Right, so it's 1:09 p.m. We planned on leaving at least by 10:30, but obviously we're late. So by the time we reach Virginia, it will be at least 5 o'clock, because we have a few scheduled stops, and those stops would be necessary. We are on a long drive. So the issue was with the luggage on Sunand's bike. It had few issues. He didn't try it before. So the lesson we learned was to always try your luggage on your bike before you plan a big trip. Anyways, we tried, we actually figured it out and solved the problem and hooked it up. Let's hope it does not, become loose and give us any issues on the way. Alright, so like I said, it's a 3-day trip. First we'll be going to Virginia, Hendon, which is 3 hours away from here, and we'll be staying at Sunand's friend's house. You have to maintain a good pace in order to, make up the time we lost. Anyways, we didn't plan on anything else once we reached Virginia, so it's good that we had enough time.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise, tear all the worries out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, Child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Maybe my compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer to where I belong. Still rolling the dice, praying sometimes don't last it long. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from what you knew all along. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. When you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon.
Left a star glowing in your eyes when I'm not aware. You left a scar. I fall into your lies all again.
Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Let me feel it again. Let me feel it.
Fall into your I found the rain dripping down your eyes when I'm not around. I found myself, but I fall into your lies all again.
Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Let me feel it again. Let me feel it.
Fall into
Hey guys, finally we reached Virginia. Yeah, it was a long ride to be honest. It took us, 4 hours.
So I'll be rejoining Sunam now. I'm going to his friend's house. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video. The next two episodes are going to be mostly curves and beautiful sceneries. So keep waiting and watching out for the video. It will be out soon, probably, hopefully. But I hope you like this one. If you did like this video, please do give me a thumbs up and do share your valuable comments. And if you don't subscribe, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I guess I reached my destination. Yeah, I guess it's here. Well, hope you guys have some amazing time.
Make a U-turn and turn right on Letters Mill Drive.
For the valley and Dasara. And rest. I hope you guys have some amazing time for the valley and Dasara.
Johnson Place.
I know I miss family. I wish I was with them, but yeah.
Turn right on.
Hope you guys have lots of food and lots of fun. Until then, goodbye. Hope you guys take care of yourself and take care of your family.
Is on your left.
That's all matters. See ya.